Good morning or good evening, it's me, it's Kai, and I'm going to show you a new thing today. I'm going to show you how to do this. You see it? It's going from green screen to no screen, or my face. So that's magic for you. And I will show you how quickly how I do it. It's no fancy schmancy, it's just putting on some effects or one effect in Adobe Premiere Pro and do a little tweaking and you're set to go. Yeah, please subscribe if you like this video and want more from me. I will give you more no matter what, so you better subscribe. No, I'm kidding. Please subscribe, yes. Okay, then we move into Adobe Premiere Pro. Yeah, we are back here. You can see my movie that I just made. Look at my smirk in this picture here. I look very self-satisfied. And now we want to do this this keying, and we want to add a subscribe button. Here I want that animated subscribe button with sound, of course. I've done some rough edit here to get rid of some nonsensical stuff. The thing we need to do is to just import our animated video. It could be anything. In this particular case, it's a subscribe button, animated and with some sound. And you just drag it in as always and you place it on, yeah, let's see, on video track 3 and audio track 3. Yeah, that's good, I think. I can even move this down here, doesn't matter. So now you can see this big green screen here. And that's why you use green screen in the first place. It's because it's easy to get rid of when you do After Effects or effects to your video. When you move this this line, you see the animation is coming. So I want to get rid of all the green stuff. And you go to Effects, you search up keying, and I found out the Ultra key is the best one. This has given me the best results. So you can just stick with this if your animation is simple like this. As always, when you use effects in Adobe Premiere Pro, you just drag it and slip it over the clip or the sequence you want to have that effect on. And that's the green screen or the animated subscribe button, the Ultra key. It sounds dangerous, but it's not. It's very helpful. So you can call it like a Superman key or something. And then we go to Effects, Effect Control up here. And you see that the Ultra key is coming down here. And here's a lot of stuff. I don't use all this stuff here. I only use 2 things. The first thing is that you need to identify the color you want to get rid of in the background. And you have this pipette is it here. So you can just go here and find the right color, which is green. So you just push your pipette here, and as you can see, the green screen is now gone, and you can see my beautiful face underneath it here. It's not all done here. It's some stuff here, and there's some stuff around the actual animation here. You want to clean that stuff up. So you see that the line here is not going to be here, I hope, when I do this next step. And the only thing I use is this thing that's called choke on the matte cleanup. I have this level here you can adjust from 0 to 100, and you just drag it up to that point where you don't have any issues with spills or remaining stuff from the background image. And you can see that the green line you saw up here is now retracting. It's going away. You can see it now. You see? And you can also see that the animation looks better when you do this. So if I just push it forward here, you can see that the edge of the logo, YouTube logo, is disappearing. Like here. You can push it all the way up to hundreds. Look at this! And now you can move it. You can also make it smaller. You can make it bigger. Yeah, and then you can also crop it, but that's not necessary here. I want to have it here. So I will just jank down the volume a little bit on this one because it's quite loud. So let's just push it down like this. Okay, so now we watch the video and see how it is, and if it looks good, I will have it like this. Good morning or good evening, it's me, it's Kai, and I'm going to show you a new thing today. And I just did! Did you see that? I think it looks quite good. So I will have it like this, and now you have hopefully learned how to do some keying. This is simple keying. I don't know all those fancy stuff you can do with the key. This works for me as an amateur in Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope you like it, and please remember to subscribe to my channel if you like to support me. You have the sign here, so go do it. It's not difficult, just do it. Bye!